Hey guys, James here, Red River Dodge. I just want to take a few minutes to go over some features in the interior of this Bighorn we're in right now. Now, this is not our entry-level truck, but it's a step above that. This is a Bighorn Level 1, so it's got some nice features like this 8.4-inch touchscreen radio here. You've got the automatic windows that you hit them one time and they go straight down for you. You've got the power folding mirrors, so you hit that button if you're in a tight parking space. There they go right there. And you can also see that symbol there, they're heated as well. So back to the interior here, you've got your cruise control settings right here on the steering wheel, very easily to get to. Hands-free phone capability, so you can Bluetooth to the radio here, and then you can answer it on your steering wheel, as well as use voice control like Siri on your iPhone. You can just press that button there to activate Siri. You got the shifter knob here that's unique to Ram here in the half-ton truck segment. Brake controller here. You can save up to 4 different trailers in the Uconnect screen here. So let me show you how to get that. When you go to your settings, you've got your trailer brake control, and you can save up to 4 different trailers if you're pulling a boat or a cargo trailer or what have you. Now this screen is not equipped with navigation, but if you plug your phone in to the USB outlet, I've got an Android device, so it's going to pop up the Android Auto, and then just like that, you got your maps from your phone coming up right there. You can listen to your Spotify music like I do a lot of the time. You can access all your contacts on your phone, all your recent calls. You can send text messages. Anything you would normally do from your phone, you can do right there on the screen of your truck. And so that's just a few of the cool features that are available on these Ram trucks. Like I said, this is not an entry-level truck. This is a slight step up to a Bighorn Level 1, and you get so much bang for your buck when going with a Ram truck versus one of those other brands. So come see us, check us out at redriverdodge.com, or give me a call at 901-413-6948. Thank y'all. Y'all have a great day.